i1 SP360 Edge Master Rotatory Separator Machine. 360 degrees rotating rotatable, active screw fixture, can fix various cell phone screens. Equipped with a frame removal tool. Suction cup hold the screen. Rotate the micrometer to pull up the screen. Release the tilt brake. Tilt left and right plus 360 degrees rotation, fixed at any angle, combined with alcohol and stoppers. Easy disassembly of screen and frame. Lift and remove the screw fixture. Anti-loss magnetic suction design. Can be attached to any position on the aircraft body. Fold off the activity board. Immediately transform into a flat workbench. Embedded ceiling silicone ring. The screen can be directly placed on the platform. Start the vacuum pump suction. Grasp the screen firmly. Use steel wire for separation. Strong suction, stable and not swinging. Equipped with reinforced suction silicone pad. When removing glue from the LCD screen, the machine is equipped with a debonding tool. The glue rolled on the glue remover can be directly degaussed. No need for manual debonding, convenient and easy to use. The machine is equipped with a high-power vacuum pump. Strong and stable suction. Shut down to automatically exhaust. i1 SP360